Looking for a cute design for your AirPods? What do you think about this strawberry pie case? This little bag can hold all your tiny essentials. Let me first show you how to crochet a motif and then we'll move on to making the bag itself. Hey lovelies, I'm Nazanin and this is Crochet Simple, my little crochet corner. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a super cute and easy motif that we'll later use to create an adorable AirPod bag. It's a beginner friendly pattern. Let's crochet together. We need some yarn. I'm using a cartopoketon yarn, but you can using any yarn you like. If you're making an AirPods bag, it's better to avoid fuzzy yarn like wool or mohair. You'll also need a crochet hook that matches your yarn. I'm using 2.5mm crochet hook plus a yarn needle and scissors. Okay, start with magic ring, wrap yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook inside it, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through the loop. Here is our magic ring. Now we're gonna making 3 chains as a first double crochet and 3 more chains as a 3 chain space of the first corner. Okay, now we're gonna making 3 double crochet in the same space. Wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook in the magic ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Repeat again, wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook inside the circle, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2, grab a yarn, pull through 2. This is how we make double crochet. Repeat this diagram one more time. Now we're gonna making 3 chains for the second chain space of the corner. Again, making 3 double crochet plus 3 chains in the circle 2 more times. 3. Now we're gonna making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Again, 3 double crochet and 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. And 3 chains for the third corner. Close the hole by pulling up the loop, and we have 3 chains here. In the first, we need 2 more double crochet that join to these 3 chains that we make our first side of a square. Here, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Here is our first corner. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. I'll do it by the needle all the time. Close the hole by pulling up the loop. Okay, we're gonna secure this tail of the yarn in the wrong side. Just moving between the stitches very slowly in the wrong side and secure the tail of the yarn between them, and after that cut it. If you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed yet, I'll be happy that you joined to my little crochet family. Your support truly means the world to me. Okay, for the ending the rounds, insert your needle inside the 3rd stitch here in the 2nd chain, bring it out, insert it again inside the 1st stitch here and bring it out. Here is our ending. There is no sign of the sewing or anything, and tie the tail of the yarn between the stitches in the wrong side. Okay, okay, here is our round 1. For the round 2, with your 2nd color, grab your 2nd color, make a slip knot on your hook, insert your hook into the each chain 3 spaces you want, make a single crochet in there and 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Make another single crochet in the same space. Again, make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Next corner in the chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and 1 single crochet. Repeat this diagram by making 3 chains in the corner spaces, 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and 1 single crochet. Okay, what color are you using for your granny square? I'd love to know, do you prefer bright or bold colors or a soft pastel shade for your crochet project? Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet, cut the yarn and fasten off. I'm here to help you become a confident crochet pro, so don't be shy. Feel free to ask me anything. If you need, you can send me a picture of your work to my email. You can find my email address in my bio of channel or in description below. Send me a picture of your work to me and I'll be there to help you in your project. Okay, here's our round 2. For the round 3, bring your first color. You can use a multiple color. Okay, wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook in the chain space, bring yarn out, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Also, you can use 3 chains as a first double crochet if you want, then make 3 more chains for the 3 chain space. Now we're gonna making 3 double crochet in the same space. First one, second one, and the third one. After that, make chain 1. Okay, go to the next chain space, make 3 double crochet and chain 1 in there. In the next chain space of the corner, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Again, 3 double crochet in the same corner space. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, go to the next chain 3 space of the previous round, make 3 double crochet and 3 chains in there. Do this diagram for the all next stitches until the end. You can use this pattern for many different projects, from the big cozy blanket to sofa throws, cardigans and cushions, and so much more. For fun and twist, try using different colors on the odd rounds or flip it and use colors on the even rounds. The results will always looking unique and beautiful. In the end, make 2 double crochet before the first chains, and after that join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet or third chain. Cut the yarn and fasten off. For the next round, make a slip knot on your hook with your second color. Start from chain space of the corner, make a single crochet in there and 3 chains. Make another single crochet in same space and then make 3 chains. Go to the next chain 1 space, make 1 single crochet and 3 chains. Into the next chain space, 1 single crochet and 3 chains. And repeat this diagram from here to here by repeating 1 single crochet, 3 chains, 1 single crochet in the corner spaces and plus 3 chains. into the each chain one space of the each sides, make one single crochet and 3 chains. Repeat this diagram until the end of the row. Then join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet, cut the yarn and fasten off. From now on, just keep repeating round 3 and round 4 until your motif is as big as you want. And when you're happy with the size, you can add a finishing row if you'd like. I wrapped mine up with a simple row of a single crochet, super easy and neat. I'll show you. Let me hide my tail of the yarn. Okay, here's our motif. I'll make one more round by double crochet round. Start with double crochet in the corner, make 3 chains and 3 more double crochet in the same chain space of the corner, and chain 1 into the next chain space, make 3 double crochet, chain 1 into the each chain 3 spaces of this round, make 3 double crochet and chain 1, and in the corner spaces make 3 double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochet and chain 1. Okay, I reach to the next corner. I'm making 3 double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochets and chain 1. Repeat this diagram until the end of the row, and after that I wanna make my last round. In the end, make 2 double crochet in the first chain space and join with the slip stitch to the third chain or the first double crochet. Okay, from now just keep repeating round 3 and 4 as I said to you. Okay, move to the chain space by the slip stitch, then make 1 chain, doesn't count it as a stitch, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains and 1 single crochet. After that, make 1 single crochet into the each stitches of the each side of your square, skip the chain 1 spaces and move to the next stitch and make single crochet in there. Okay, then all we need to do is that skip all the chain 1 spaces in each side of our square and just keep going along by making 1 single crochet into the each stitches and 1 single crochet, 2 chains and 1 single crochet into the each corner spaces. Okay, look, 1 single crochet, 2 chains and 1 single crochet. Repeat this diagram all the round. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet or cut the yarn and make your ending by your needle. Let me show you. Insert your needle under the second stitch. Look here, second stitch means the first chain here. Bring it out and insert it again inside the first stitch here in the last stitch of the round. Okay, here is our ending. There's no sign of sewing or anything. Hide the yarn between the stitches in the wrong side. Move very slowly between the stitches and done. Cut the yarn, and that's it, lovelies. Now you know this cute motif. In my next video, we'll turn it into a strawberry AirPod case. Don't miss it, and please send me your pictures. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next tutorial. Share this video with your friends and crochet groups. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Bye.